All right, guys, this is my 2008 Nissan Titan. And if you have this problem, when you go to turn your vehicle on, your Nissan, get it in there, and you hear this clacking noise, let me show you how to fix that. So that clicking noise we just heard is coming from behind your glove box. It's the fresh air filter. Now, if you've never had an opportunity to change out your cabin filters, there's two of them in the Titan and Armada series. There may be some more, but now's the time that you can change out those filters and fix that little problem. This is a DIY hack. This is just redneck shit, but it will stop that click, 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 click crap. So let me show you the filters, and then I'll show you how to take off all this crap. All right, guys, this is an easy fix. It's a little bit redneck, but it will stop that clicking noise. So if you need to, oh, wait, that, just 6.7 Firebird I'm working on. If you're into Firebirds and you're into muscle cars, subscribe and check out all the rest of the videos. But let me show you the filters you need for these Titans. All right, so these are the filters. You can buy them on Amazon. There's going to be a link down below. Yes, you'll make me a nickel or two, maybe, who knows. But the Titans have two filters in them. So the box comes with two filters. So you have those handy. We'll put those in since we're going to be taking everything apart. So back to the truck. Let me show you how to take off that glove box. All right, so here's your glove box. Underneath, there's a screw there, and there's a screw over there. You're going to take those two out. Then open up your glove box, and you're going to take out those two black ones, not the silver ones, that one and that one, and then we're going to pull this whole thing out. Come on, come on. All right, so right behind here is your air filter. So that's, I believe, an 8mm. Let's get a socket and we'll pull that off. All right, so let's get this off. Now that screw's out of the way, we can expose this door here. And there's our filters. And reach in and pull those suckers out. There we go. Oh boy. Oh. Yep, it's time. Yeah, I believe it's those two need to come out. Oh yeah, it's definitely time to take care of those. So we'll trash those real quick. All right, so you can see the door's open right now. You can kind of see in there. So there's light coming in. Those little vertical slits, that's showing you that it's open. Now watch when I touch this. See, it closed. That's what's making our noise. So we need to put a tie wrap in there. Okay, take a zip tie, you're gonna go in there, loop it through those little vents. That way that door stops before it gets all the way in. It'll stop that clicking, and then we'll put our screw back in, put our filters in, and be done with it. right, so we got it in there. New filters are in. That's buttoned up. Let's get our glove box put back on. This is also an excellent time to clean up your damn glove box. Okay, that's it. No more sound.